Hi, this is Dr. Amrita, and I'm going to tell you briefly how I schedule my posts through the Canva content planner for Instagram. You open the Canva app on your mobile, click on the sandwich, that is a three-line thing at the bottom right hand side, click on the content planner, and then click on the date where you want to schedule, then click on the plus sign, and then choose a design. You can choose anything which you want to publish, so I'm going to choose I think I'm going to choose copy of nature heals. This is just to show you what it has to be done, because I have already published this previously, so I'm going to just give you an idea how it is done. So this is the picture I want to post on Instagram. I will choose the destination as the Instagram business account, and I have to choose only one, because otherwise it's going to be a problem. And then I'm going to write a small caption, a picture of tree of life. You put in your hashtag and everything, which I'm not doing right now, and you can schedule the post. And it is scheduled, and that's all. You can put it for as many days and as many months as you want. As you can see, it's very easy to use. You can schedule on any of the other platforms also, which I'll just show you that you can do. We can go for another of these posts. I'll go for this post, and we will see how it is run for other places also. So I'll choose only page 1. Okay, only one of the pages. Done. And you can choose your destination. You can see so many destinations you can choose on, like you can post on Pinterest, you can post on Twitter, on your Facebook pages, on Tumblr. So this is exceedingly useful. Hope you use the scheduler, the content planner on Canva, and let me know if you need more help with this.